Tax laws have changed again.
This year, more than ever, you need an experienced tax professional.
That's what you get at Professional Tax Service. Over 45 years experience.
You need to let our team of full-time licensed tax accountants work for you.
Quality tax work with a reasonable fee. We know tax law.
We care about you and your taxes. We honestly do. Let us show you what a family-owned business can do for you.
That's Bowling Green and Florida, or just Bowling Green?
That's all over. All of my property.
All right, and then you licensed a couple cars in Kentucky.
I had property tax in Lexington.
Okay, so that's Bowling Green. So Lexington property tax.
Right, that was, you want that, it was $1498.52.
$14.99.
No.
Right. And then we licensed a couple cars.
Car tax is $250 for me.
Our tags were very small.
All
I
right.
put it here somewhere.
It's okay.
Here it is. $27.
No
Old
new
car.
cars, used cars. No, we didn't buy any cars last year. They have no mortgages, no mortgage interest. We've got some church tithes, charities, and donations.
Okay.
Is this separated too? So you got both, you have your own?
Do you have your separate, your tithe?
Yes, where was it?
Mine is $22,637.
22,600.
Is that so y'all have them electronically to file?
Well, that is
Or does it
for,
go with the return?
It's, instead of keeping everything and always having a bunch of stuff in a file, you just scan it all in there and then it's always there. Like there's stuff that they bring us,
Mm-hmm.
like supporting documents, I guess you would say.
Yeah.
take them to be transmitted, so we're going to the transmitter. So we place them in there, and this is Jim, our transmitter. And he spends his time going through the returns, checking them, and sending them off to IRS.
Hey, I'd like to get my check cashed.
Sure. Just need to see your driver's license. Okay, sir, there's going to be some cash that'll come out down there. If you'll set it up here, we'll count it back for you.
Whoa, that's a lot of money.
That is a lot of money. More coming.
This is how we make our living, and we absolutely love it. It's kind of
From your hometown news leader, this is WBKO at 10, live in HD.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us. I'm Gene Burke. Few things in life are guaranteed, but taxes is one of them. And with the deadline to file your taxes just over 24 hours away, our Melissa Warren tells us many in Bowling Green are scrambling to get them done today. This is tonight's top story at 10.
300. That's how many people those at Professional Tax Services say will walk through their doors today alone. Now, they've been in the business of doing this for decades, and they say April 15th is no big deal.
Some nights we don't get home till 11 anyway, and that's just regular nights, so it might even be later than that tonight. But you gotta love what you do it. And we love what we do. We love helping people.
One client says he's glad they're here to help.
You pay for what you get, so and if you do it online, it's you're gonna have to, if you make a mistake, you really don't, you have prompts, but you really don't have nobody taking you through it.
Everyone has their reasons for either filing early or waiting until the last minute.
I've been sick and in the hospital, so they were kind enough to have appointments today, and I'm right here with them. And I think it's terrible. I think it's terrible for people to wait this long because there's so much pressure on everybody's part, but that's what I had to do.
It is a huge drudgery because it takes me probably about 120 hours to do my taxes because realtors have lots of deductions and receipts that we have to keep up. And then I'm the broker of my company, Real Estate Solutions, so I also have to do my company taxes. So that's double trouble.
After decades of helping others file their taxes, Buser says she's seen procrastination in all forms. But regardless of when or how you do them, they must be done.
No matter what, you can't avoid them, so you just might as well do it and go on with it. It's part of life, so I've got to do it.
And for those who really want to wait until the very last minute, they have until tomorrow night. In Bowling Green, Melissa Warren, WBKO.
Buescher says many don't realize it, but those who are absolutely sure they are going to receive a tax refund and do not owe money are not required to file by tomorrow. But she says many are not sure until they file their returns that they do not owe any money. And if you do owe and miss the deadline, you could face penalties.